not really modeling my outfit, just showing it. Because, yeah, I'll have to move around, go that way and record. I don't want to. It's like kind of cramped. Even though I moved my desk that way, it still feels like it's cramped. I don't know why, but I'm going to put you over here. I'm going to show you Eternity. I show you she got me a tumbler of Disney with some stuff, the nail polish, the fake nails, the nail filer, I think lip gloss. She got me some more stuff. I wasn't expecting it. I know I mentioned in a different video that my sister said it, but I wasn't expecting. I thought it was just one thing, you know. I moved the chair. How cute the joggy pants are. So she got a Five Below also. So she got me a couple stuff. She bought a Five Below, and I got her stuff and Destiny, my two nieces, for their birthday for Five Below. How cute the jogging pants are. I didn't even see this when I went a couple of times in Highland Boulevard, where the Boulevard Mall is. That is so cute. And it looks, I guess it's like, I don't know what color it is. If it's, looks like beige or light brown. I thought it was like a different color, yellow. Like my blouse that I bought at Five Below. Just love it. I know, one of my nieces gave me a t-shirt, I think it was Destiny, that it looked like, you know, like a Japanese cartoon thing. And I'm going to use that shirt a different day when I go to one of the Minnesota stores in Times Square. Well, I recorded one already, but I want to go like two different, like 1 week, one day to one of them, which I'm going to go to the newer one that I heard. There's another one in Times Square, but a different area maybe. You know, maybe it's a different avenue or something. I don't know. So I want to check that one out first. Then next week, I'll go to the other one. Oh, I want to show you. She gave it to me in this bag, but it's Five Below. I'm showing. This is gonna be a mixed video. It's showing stuff my niece gave me, Eternity, for my birthday. She got me more stuff. And remember these that I was showing you, and I thought they were cute. I didn't think she would get it. You know, like Smoochy Pals. It's called Smoochy Pals. Look how cute and chubby it looks. Oh, my little new buddy. Look at him, his little wings. He is so perfect. And look at his little... Is that the tail? No. The legs. He don't have a tail. He's so cute. Look at the ears. Yeah. He's adorable. Not one Smoochy Pal. She bought me two of them. Look at this other one. With a star. He's holding a star. Smoochy Pals. Wow. They have little feet. Look at the ears. Love them so much. Oh my god. I need like to have another, like a couple of shelves. I still could add. Well, it depends because the light is in the way. The LED light, what LED light thing. We'll see. Two more things she got me for my spa day. I got a foot mask Freeman, the mark, Flirty Feet. Moisturizing plus smoothing mask, hydrating. Yeah, I do another spa day because I still have another face mask. And like I said, I could put half nail polish and have fake nails. Something different for my spa day. And I love this thing. Thank God I didn't think about buying it. A Barbie. It comes with one bracelet and 5 charms. Oh my God, that's cool. And I saw something like this, the style of the bracelet. Remember I was showing this cute one? It looked like purple and some other color. And this is close enough, man. Look how cute this thing is. Got something of Barbie. So cute. I love everything my whole family got me for my birthday, so I can't complain. They're always thinking about me, and we're at least starting to spend time again, and I like that. So, like I said, I'm doing different videos. I'm gonna, check this thing, but who knows, I'm gonna waste time on looking for an eyeliner thing, because I was looking at a video on Facebook, and a person showed an eyeliner, and you know the ending has like always like different kind of colors because it shows the color of the eyeliner. So when they twist that top, is a sharpener for the eyeliner. So I want to find out that's true. And I didn't even turn on the light. I already said I bet back for hopefully that'll block me. Try not to say anything, but then I gotta move. I'm worried that the phone's gonna fall. I hope not. I gotta move it more because this lamp is short. Ooh, it's gonna fall. Put that. I'm gonna put this on the floor. Put it there for now. Okay. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully not too much light in your eyes, guys. Alright. I'll do the I'm thinking before I do the big one. So I might leave the big one for almost Easter, but I don't know. I might just do a lot of videos before Easter and just forget about, like, I don't know. I'm all over the place. So I wanted to mention it here on, because I'll forget. But, because when I write stuff down on my YouTube channel, I know my hair is something, my face, the hair, oh, my glasses. So, when I put pictures or I write stuff, nobody's saying anything, and I was hoping you guys are following me, liking my videos, commenting down below. I appreciate it so much. I'm not complaining about that. And I'm not complaining. I'm just saying that sometimes it's easier if something's coming up, or I'm going to mention about the video. I'm not going to mention where the area or nothing like that because, crazy people and you want to be safe. But give you ideas, I'm going to a certain place. I'm just going somewhere with the stores, and I'll mention choose at least 2 or 3 because I can't record a whole bunch. Like I said, 9 or 10 videos. That's the most I could record on my phone. I don't have like a nice, fancy, expensive phone. I made money, no. So I'm like in a budget and stuff. But what I was gonna say, it was easier of me mentioning certain stuff on YouTube, and you check around there because it has different things, old, new videos. It'll mention community. Community is where you can see pictures I put. Well, that's all you could do. You can't put videos. It would have been nice putting but it's only on your YouTube. You can put long and short videos, and I I did it before, but I'd rather do the 12 minute of each, like 9 or 10 videos, and it's good. So I was trying to mention is let me open these bags. I'm gonna do a little bit of them and fill up something. I don't even know what I'm gonna fill up because I don't have anything really. Like I didn't buy like little toys. Don't have any candy. Well, I have the little of those Easter rings that I bought, the lollipop rings thing. So I was mentioning that tomorrow, I'm thinking it's only tomorrow, I'm going to Hobby Lobby because they're doing that cutting the ribbon, and I want to experience something like this different. It's exciting here in Staten Island. Never, since I lived here in 2005, even they opened new stores, I never seen nobody cutting a ribbon. It was somewhere else, far away from us, and I said, why can't they do it here? And I can't believe they mentioned they're cutting a ribbon. And I think that's all they're doing, but I don't know. I'm just recording over there. So before I go there, I'm going to CVS to develop 4 disposable cameras. And that's reminded me what I could do in this video. Hold on. What? Yeah. What? 4 tamales. Don't throw anything else out. Stop talking with salt. You don't eat it. Do you eat it? Just don't touch anything out. Well, that, but not new stuff. I just feel like, just losing my cool. She wants to throw everything of the food. Hopefully she's not touching anything of new. I can admit I have OCD or whatever that called, compulsive disorder. She has it worse. I could notice, am I overdoing it? Yeah, my son sees me moving, something's at the edge, it is driving me nuts. Yeah, I'm gonna move it, I'm gonna fix it. It's gonna fall. He's gonna get hurt. For her, it's like, I don't know. She needs to cool it. Like I said, all my, I think it was like, altogether 16 or 13. I don't remember what I said in the video, so I already developed 2. I'm bringing 4 of them. Let's see if others have, because sometimes I write on the front of the age, but I'm thinking it was only those 2 that I developed. I bring to develop. And I'm taking one of these. I'm going to record it now because when I bring it over there, she rushes the lady and I don't have time to record, so. I'm going to bring one of these. That's two. I'm gonna put it, it ain't gonna fit in my purse. I'm gonna have to bring it back. Just checking if I wrote something on it, but nothing. I'm Wayne Reed. There's three. And this one. Cute. Four. The bag is already breaking. Last. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 14 disposable cameras left. I'm bringing 4, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. Not bad. It's due March. I bring it, like the ending. So it's gonna be not the beginning of April, but like the middle or ending of April. And I don't know why they asked for the phone number if they didn't call me. They didn't leave a message, they didn't call me. It's gonna be a long video, let me hurry up. Put it in the closet, I come back. So like I was saying, I'm going to CVS to bring the 4 disposable cameras to be developed, CVS. Then I'm taking the bus, go to Hobby Lobby. After that, I'm finished, recording the store. I'm going to Spectrum to bring my old remote because it's messed up. Keep dropping it. I'm hoping they don't say I have to pay for it, though I get a new one. Then I go home. I'm gonna try to do the rabbit basket again. Just because, like I said, I have no grass. And see what I add in there. Because some of this is too big. Oh, I was gonna put my headband. I didn't even put it. I'm buying this Dollar General bunny headband. That's all the color they had. I wish that pink. I mean, neon green is cute. I like the color. That pink or purple. Don't like this tag. It's annoying. I'm gonna have to cut it. Look. Ignore it, ignore it. Alright. So this ain't the skinny one. I want to show you if it's true. Hold on. Let me see if I find eyeliner. Is the eyeliner black? I guess it's some of them. You know, pop. Look at it. I'm gonna keep looking at it and waste. The video's already long. I haven't tried the pens yet. Oh, I'm going to try the. It's jar of sand. My son brought me. Oh, it's running. Don't like the smell. Wow, sand. I don't know where I could put it. I was gonna put it on the thing, but then now I'll do a different video when I do the slimes and everything, and I'll do different sands. I don't know if you would be interested in that, knowing it's kitty stuff. You know, play with different kind of slimes, and then the different sands I have. Well, this is my second one. This the other one. I don't know. I have one or two different ones of sand. Alright, I'm gonna put it here. I don't know if I'm using these two. So cute. I check the time, but with my pills. I do it like 6:41 instead of getting to 6:45. I try to do it a little earlier. Okay, open. That's open. I'm not adding this in the basket for this because it's so big. So it would have been cute because it's purple. Alright, sand, grass. I'm thinking I'm gonna mix it, purple and pink. See how it's gonna look, like half and half. Well, like I was mentioning, tomorrow is the only day I'm going to, you know, like somewhere of a store. After that, Tuesday to Sunday, I'm going to be going different areas where I live to exercise, walk, run, jog, well, jog a little, but not run, never mind. I don't want to break any kind of bones. I'm already old. For me, I'm old, in my 50s, so when I lose the weight, they'll say I'm young. See how I feel. I don't know. A little more. Should be good. I think you're not seeing it, are you? I thought you would. Okay. My sister said, and Eternity said it too. She likes her stuff. What I bought her, I'm glad. I was worried. I was very worried. More about Eternity than Destiny because, like some stuff she has my taste. Some, not all, but it's okay. Still love them both, no matter what. I think that should be good. It's just a rocking rabbit, minding your own business, having fun. I'm thinking, maybe not today because it's already, yeah. Since I'm like rushing, I'm not gonna do it. Do different kind of toys of boy and girls, like little figurines of boys and like different toys I have of boys and girls. And knowing I can't buy a lot of stuff, just show what I have and put it in a basket. I'm gonna do the rabbit basket a couple of times of different ways or whatever. My brain, I'm just doing what I feel. I whatever happens. That's all I could say. Some stuff I'm not copying people. Like I'm just doing my own thing. So what am I gonna put in here? I don't need to fill up the eggs and stuff. I just put it like a decoration. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll see if like 2 each will fit there. I don't know. Yes, I was gonna delete that video, Western Beef, okay? But I don't want you thinking, oh, I thought you were. I don't know how you say it, but I guess you're a faker, or you're almost like a Kim Kardashian, making yourself look young and I don't know. But it's bothering me a lot. I posted it, but I don't even have to talk about it. It's embarrassing. Oh, it doesn't bother me. Like I just don't want to hear people's negative crap. I will block you. I don't need. I'm just trying to say it nicely. Oh, I'm not trying to be rude, but don't even say anything if you're not gonna be rude. I never was this way outspoken and whatever else. No, I'm the quiet mouse. I want to stay quiet. I didn't want to say stuff. I just wanted, like things would happen, and now it's like I'm a different person, and it's old age. I don't know. Whatever it is, these are adorable. For boys or girls. For boys or girls. So adorable. Didn't have things like that. Everything was regular eggs. Woo. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. That's what I told Joel. Or I'd be hitting him. You got a VA and he don't even understand what I'm talking about. Even though it was a juice commercial, it had nothing to do with hitting somebody. I have these corny jokes. I don't know. I'm just corny. All right. I feel like whatever. I'm just gonna put it wherever. I'm gonna put like 1 each, but let's see. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Yeah, I don't know because he's fat. stressing myself out. He's gonna have to go here, right? You have like a corner. Ooh, it's rocking, it's rocking. Why is it rocking? Don't know what to do. That's cute, but then where everything else is gonna fit, I don't know. Let me just show it looks cute like that, and then I take it out. Ooh, I'm just gonna put one of each. I love the green, so I'm gonna keep the green one and one of these. I think I could add something in here. I don't have anything. Even though, oh, I forgot about this stuff. I'll leave this, the scented Easter grass that smells like candy. It smells like strawberry. I'll leave for the big Easter basket. See? Oh, and it comes in the bag, so I could take it out. You see one of the chocolate, the containers could fit in there with the three, I don't know, the three swivels. Checking the time, which is already past. This is the longest video, but I'm gonna just continue. It has tape. There's the rabbit, how cute. Almost near Easter, or if I go to Disney store, and like I said, I'm gonna go to the new one, so I might go to Disney store in Minnesota, the new one, the second one they put in Times Square, and I'm gonna wear my headband. Destiny bought me for my birthday. Look at this rooster or chicken. Like big grass covering. It's like a little chick. Just see it. Little chick. And this is a carrot. A cute carrot. Okay. So I'm going to use one of the containers. And there. What? Could you see it? No. Okay. There it is. Why is it not open? Oh, maybe it's just, it says a container. Why is it not opening? Oh. Too much tape. I guess it's not to open. So that means I wonder if it closes back when I got the tape. not opening. I'm gonna have to put in here eggs. Let's see. Carrot. And right. It's too big for the container. It would have been. It's too big. I'll have to decorate it on my big basket. The corner, I don't know. I should open this to put the cards in there. Wait, I didn't even take pictures of the stuff, so I can't put that in there. All right. I'm almost finished. I'll do like a different one longer. A different one, I mean. Because I put it. I forgot I didn't take pictures of the stuff, of my stuff. Mike, you don't want to go. All right, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Can't really put that much stuff. Okay. That's good, because soon I gotta take my pills, and I just want to get distracted. And I know this was the longest video, man. When I take those pictures, then I might put it in the big basket. A different video I'll record. Like I said, before Easter, which is not yet, I'm gonna record more different things to add in this Easter basket. I call it a basket. It's a container maybe, but I want to close. And the big basket that I have. The big basket. Ending the video here. Sending you love. Hugs. Kisses and the treasures. Be safe. Have a great day. Love ya.